Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video I'm going to do another open and share of a sticker order that I got from Azalea City Planning. Now I recently joined her PR team and I'm very excited to share some of these beautiful and amazing stickers with you. I know you guys are probably saying, what? Desiree is showing stickers again? And I know I'm not supposed to be buying any more, but these are just some beautiful stickers that I could not resist. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Look at this gorgeous hot pink foiled envelope. I love it. Now all I did was cut open the envelope so I can get into it quickly for the video. And look at how cute. Now, I forgot actually what all I ordered, so we're going to see it together, and then this is really sweet. She put this cute little Airheads watermelon candy in there. That's really cute. So right off the bat, I see a cute little sticker. It says, "Thank you for shopping with us, Matt and Christy." Oops, and that has my invoice on this side, so I got to make sure I don't show that. Let me just go ahead and open the plastic. Now I am really loving all the variety of the stickers that I've been seeing lately. So I'm really excited to share these with all of you. And then, oh look, this is cute. This is, I guess it's a little Halloween sampler of little ghost stickers. How cute is that? I'll definitely be using that. Alright, and let's get right into it. So right off the bat, I see this cute little dashboard. This says sweater weather. And I think it's a dashboard. Yeah, it's not a, I don't think it's a sticker. But that'll be cute. Definitely putting that in the planner. And then these are the stickers. Now she has so many different designs to choose from. And I think this one is the foil. And you can choose if you want, I think, gold or silver. I picked the silver. And this one is, the kit is called Starstruck. And these are beautiful, vibrant, sparkly stickers on that really nice matte paper that I love. So, and these are boxes, half boxes, and header boxes. Then you have your day covers, trackers, and icons. So cute. More headers here. Checklists. And she gives you a lot of stickers in this kit. I think it's 8 pages. Or 7 pages maybe. And then this is one that I saw on the website and I knew I had to have it. This one is, I forgot what it's called. Is it on here? Jelly roll. And it's got these gorgeous pictures of jellyfish. Again, so vibrant, so pretty. These are the, what are these called? Just checklist boxes. Washi and full boxes and checklists. And I can't tell you how beautiful and vibrant these colors are. Now, I really like bold, bright colors. I love neons, and I love, you know, bright, vibrant colors. I don't really like the pastels. So pretty. I can't wait to use these. And then this one is the mermaids, I think. Oh no, mercats, I think is what she calls it. And look at how gorgeous that is. I mean, these colors are amazing. So if you are interested in placing an order, I will definitely have the link for you below, and I will also do or include the discount code that I can offer you. I know she's got some beautiful kits for the holidays, and also she sells all kinds of stuff like die cuts, and oh, this is really pretty, and just all kinds of stuff for your planner, functional stickers as well. So that is my look at my sticker order from Azalea City Planning. I can't wait to show you some of the spreads I do with these stickers. So of course, when I do, I will post pictures on Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. It is at Mommy Reporter on Instagram. And that is it for this video. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.